Before anything grows, there is silence. No movement. No color. Just earth, waiting. Beneath this soil, something unseen is already alive. A seed, no bigger than a thought, rests quietly, holding an entire future inside it. Nature does not rush. Nature does not announce. It simply begins. The seed doesn't know what it will become. It has no map. No certainty. Yet, it grows. First, it breaks itself. Because growth always begins with surrender. A shell cracks. A root reaches downward, into darkness, before anything reaches for the light. Nature teaches us something here. Before growth is visible, it is hidden. Before strength, there is vulnerability. Slowly, gently, a green whisper rises from the earth. It doesn't ask permission. It doesn't compare itself to the forest nearby. It simply grows, at its own pace. Some days, the change is invisible. But every moment matters. Nature reminds us. Progress is not always loud. Sometimes, it's patient. Then, color. A quiet explosion of life. Petals unfold like stories finally being told. Each flower blooms differently. Some bold, some gentle, some fleeting. Yet none apologize for their beauty. Nature does not compete. It collaborates. Bees arrive. Wind dances. Life supports life. And for a brief moment, everything feels perfectly aligned. Now, look at the trees. They grow slowly. Year after year. Layer upon layer of time. They bend with storms. They lose leaves. They stand bare, and begin again. Their strength comes not from resisting change, but from adapting to it. Nature shows us that growth is not a straight line. It is cycles. Loss, followed by renewal. When we watch nature grow, we are really watching ourselves. Our beginnings are small. Our progress is uneven. Our best seasons often follow our hardest ones. Like seeds, we break. Like trees, we endure. Like flowers, we bloom. When the time is right. Nature never asks, "Am I enough?" It simply becomes. So next time you feel stuck, remember this. Growth is happening. Even when you cannot see it. Nature is proof. That patience is powerful. And becoming takes time. Just like this seed. Just like this flower. Just like you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe the channel for more interesting videos.